So the long screw right here is the height adjustment, up and down for the main wheel. So the whole machine is so very down to earth design, simple and very efficient. All these arms, they're all coming together, like just say this side, all of them all together in the middle here. Or you can take them out, put it next with the machine. Altogether the machine has around 34-35 kilos with the box. We do like a wooden box, very plywood box, with the box and obviously the legs as well. The total weight is going to be like 40 kilos more or less. So for any orders or inquiries over this machine, please use the contact details provided at the bottom of the page. As usual, give us a ring, use a WhatsApp contact number, or send us an email. Bye for now.